a walk in the woods, or even a sound machine that plays recordings from nature can affect heart rate and alter connections in the brain, say researchers. In today's video, we will understand why nature sounds help you relax. You know that feeling of clear-headed calm that washes over you when you listen to water babbling down a stream, or leaves rustling in the wind. Researchers say they've pinpointed a scientific explanation for why sounds from nature have such a restorative effect on our psyche. According to a new study, they physically alter the connections in our brains, reducing our body's natural fight or flight instinct. Natural sound and green environments have been linked with relaxation and well-being for hundreds of years, of course. But the new research, published in the journal Scientific Reports, is the first to use brain scans, heart rate monitors, and behavioral experiments to suggest a physiological cause for these effects. To investigate the connection between the brain, the body, and background noise, researchers at Brighton and Sussex Medical School in England recruited 17 healthy adults to receive functional magnetic resonance imaging (fMRI) scans while listening to a series of 5-minute soundscapes of natural and man-made environments. During each soundscape, participants also performed a task to measure their attention and reaction time. Their heart rates were monitored as well to indicate changes in their autonomic nervous systems, the system of organs involved in involuntary processes such as breathing, blood pressure, temperature, metabolism, and digestion. When they studied the fMRI results, the researchers noticed that activity in the brain's default mode network, an area involved in mind-wandering and task-free states of wakefulness, varied depending on the background sounds being played. Specifically, listening to artificial sounds was associated with patterns of inward, focused attention, while nature sounds prompted more external, focused attention. Those results weren't the same for everyone though. People who started the study with the highest sympathetic responses, suggesting high levels of stress, registered the biggest relaxation benefits from the nature clips. And that's it for today. If you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.